Each time you enjoy a crispy golden piece of chicken from KFC, have you ever wondered how it was founded? Did you know it took 1,009 failures before finding the recipe for this success? Colonel Harland Sanders was born in a small town in Indiana. His early life was far from easy. After losing his father at the age of 6, young Harland had to take on responsibilities that most children couldn't imagine. By the age of 10, he was already a skilled cook, helping his mother feed his younger siblings. This early introduction to the culinary world would eventually shape his destiny. At 16, Harland misrepresented his age to join the United States Army. After a year of service, he received an honorable discharge and secured employment with the railway. However, a dispute with a coworker led to his dismissal, marking just the start of his challenges. While working for the railway, Harland studied law. Yet another fight ruined his legal career. He then took a job selling life insurance, only to be fired again for insubordination. Despite these setbacks, Harland didn't give up. At 30, he founded a ferry boat company. Later, he tried to create a lamp manufacturing company, but his idea was already outdone by another company. Still, he persevered. At the age of 40, Harland started selling chicken dishes at a service station. An argument with a competitor led to a confrontation. In 1930, Shell asked him to run a gas station in Corbin, Kentucky. To make extra money, Harland prepared meals for customers and had a table that could seat 6 people in the gas station. By 1937, his food had become so popular that people from different states came to visit him. As a result, he extended his gas station to include a motel. Unfortunately, for years later, the motel burned down. He rebuilt a second motel, but due to World War II, he had to close it down. However, it was during this time that Harland began to develop his famous fried chicken recipe. 1,009 times he faced rejection. 1,009 times he was told no by restaurant owners, investors, and potential partners who doubted his recipe and vision. But Harland didn't let these failures define him. Instead, he saw each no as a step closer to a yes. And finally, in 1952, a restaurant owner in Salt Lake City, Utah, gave him the opportunity he had been waiting for. The first KFC franchise was born, and Harland's dream began to take flight. From that single franchise, KFC grew into a global phenomenon, with thousands of locations serving millions of customers worldwide. Colonel Harland face became a symbol of quality and deliciousness. Today, KFC is more than just a fast food chain. It's a testament to the power of persistence, faith, and imagination. Colonel Harland Sanders' story reminds us that no matter how many times we face failure, success is just around the corner if we have the courage to keep going. So, the next time you enjoy that crispy, golden piece of chicken, remember the man behind the legend. Remember Colonel Harland Sanders and his 1,009 failures that paved the way to success.